Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you an amazing website. You will love it. A website who you can find in all universe your twins. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, the website name is Twinstrangers. You can find this website link in the description. So I'm gonna show you what this website work and everything. So now as you can see over here, upload image, click over there. Upload your image and account sign up, click over there, processing, and now you have to fill this. Okay, so username, password, and once again password. Okay, and full name, last surname, and your email, and your birth date, and your center, your country over here, India, and your gender, and I agree, and hit over here. Okay, this website will show the similar pictures. If somebody found this twins, you can click over here, my twins inbox. Your picture has not. If this website find anything, so you can see the pictures similar of yours. Right now I can't find any picture of similar because this picture is little blurry.
Anyways, you should check out this website, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Let me know in comment section if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.